Assalamualaikum my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you were fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NFSB School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Aided English Version School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take an English class for class Junior 1 students. Our today's topic, Lexis Smart Grammar, Lesson 3 and 4 reading. So let's start our today's class. So first see our today's class Junior 1, subject English, topic Lexis Smart Grammar, Lesson 3 for reading, lecture 33, term, half-yearly, teacher Ariful Islam. This is my mobile number and today's date. So my dear students, open this book, open your Lexis Smart Grammar book. This is your Lexis Smart Grammar book, and go to page number 17. So this is page number 17. This is page number 17. Okay. Lesson 3, vowels and consonants. So the English alphabet has two kinds of letters. English alphabet has two kinds of letters, vowels and consonants. There are 5 vowels. We know there are 5 vowels. They are A, E, I, O, U. So there are 5 vowels. They are A, E, I, O, U. So without these vowels, without these letters, every word belongs to consonant. So read the following words. They all have a vowel in the middle. So these words always have a vowel in the middle. Fan, man, flag, hat, jam, hen, pen, ten, bed, nest, nip, pin, bin, tin, king, top, mop, dog, pot, hot, sun, bun, gun, hat, jug. The other letters in the alphabet apart from the vowels are called consonants. So apart from the vowels, all the letters are called consonants. The consonants are shown in bold print. A is vowels, B, C, D, consonant E, vowel F, G, H, consonant I, vowels, J, K, L, M, N, consonants, O, vowels, P, Q, R, S, T, consonants, U, vowels, V, W, X, Y, Z, consonants. So read the words below. They all begin with the consonants. So these are the words begin with the consonants. Tiger, T, lion, bear, panda, zebra, giraffe, horse, wolf, rabbit, deer, kangaroo, monkey, porcupine, crocodile, snake, goat, cow, fox, yak, cat. So moving to next page, my dear students. We're moving to next page. This is our next page, page number 18. Okay, page number 18. There is a correction. So fill in the missing vowels for each word. Okay, there is a ball, B-A-double. So my dear students, you can see, fill in the missing vowel for each word. The first one is done for you. A and double S. So in this box R was missing. We have made the fill in the blanks. So in this word B-B-Y. So B-A-B-Y, B-I is a vowel. Baby, ball, B-A-double-L, I is missing. B-double-E is missing. B-double-E, B, clock, C-L-C-K. So O, clock, egg, dash, double G. So in this word E will be given egg, L-Y-C-A. So we have to put double E vowels, L-T, and R-N-G, R-I-N-G, ring, then N-T, N-U-T, nut, and this one watermelon, W-A-T-E-R-M-E-L-O-N, watermelon. Next page, go. Fill in the missing consonant in each word. What has been done for you? So we have to fill in the gaps with the consonants. So one is given C-A and can, dash A-T. So M-A-T, mat, dash R, dash U, dash. So R-U is the rug, dash A, dash. So C-A-R, car, dash I dash. So Li delete, So dash U dash. So BUN bun. This one dash I dash E. So KIT kite. IO dash I dash. So VIOLIN violin. This one is face dash A dash E. So FACE face. Clown. CLOWN clown. So we're moving to next page. Do not to read this page. So we're moving to page number 21, lesson 4, the vowel sounds. The sounds of read the words aloud, listen to their sounds. Cat is a sound, a. So cat, mat, back, man, fan, can, cake, lake, gate. So this is a sound and this is a sound. Okay, so we're moving to next page. So this is snake, case, a sound. The sounds of E, bell, leg, bed, sea, feet, green, sleep. So E sound. This one is I sound. So heel, beep, jeep, lip, bean, knife, pipe, smile, slide, kite. So we're moving to next page. So the sound of O sound. Doll, tub, hut, fox, rope, stone, bone, phone, smoke. So we're moving to next page, page number 25. The sounds of U, cup, gun, duck, sun, heart, music, huge, cube, uniform, tube. Okay, so that's all our today's lecture, my dear students. So we have finished today's lecture, lesson 3 and 4, Lexis Smart Grammars. So my dear students, keep practicing at home, avoid with parents, stay safe, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.